We are 3 weeks into the hurricane season, and forecasters are warning of above average activity. Now, that puts an extra layer of stress on homeowners already dealing with unaffordable insurance. But there could be some relief in sight. Here's a look at how recently passed legislation aims to strengthen Louisiana's insurance market.
Lower homeowner insurance rates are forecasted for Louisianians, barring a major hurricane this season.
Obviously, the best is yet to come because, we're not seeing widespread reduction in rates. But as we go through 2025, and again, assuming we don't have a hurricane, it helps not to have a hurricane, then I think people can continue to expect to see premium decreases as we go throughout the year.
Louisiana's homeowner insurance costs rank as the 8th highest in the U.S., according to Insure.com and other data sources. Insurance Commissioner Tim Temple says 10 new companies received licenses to write homeowners insurance in the state, and he's granted 8 requests for rate reductions in 2025.
Now, that doesn't mean that they're writing homeowners today, but it shows that the reform that was passed last year encouraged them to move forward with wanting to offer policies in Louisiana.
In the 2025 regular session, lawmakers created a permanent funding source for the Louisiana Fortify Homes program, which offers grants and tax benefits for certified fortified roof upgrades. A fortified roof can lower insurance premiums.
There's a couple of things they can do. They can apply through a lottery process for a grant, or they can apply for a tax credit or a income tax break.
That grant is for up to $10,000. So if you're replacing your roof to the fortified standard and it costs $15,000 total, we'll give you a grant for $10,000 and then you would pay for the other $5,000. That's option one. Obviously, those grants are limited at state funds. If you're able to do a fortified roof outside of the grant program, then the state has now has available, if these bills are signed into law, either a $10,000 tax credit or a $10,000 tax deduction for doing that. So you will get a discount, and if you don't, you need to call us and file a complaint.
Lawmakers also extended the amount of time an insurance company is required to notify of a policy cancellation.
What we've done this year is supported legislation that increases that 30-day notice to 60 days, which gives the citizens of Louisiana more time to shop around for a new policy. And something else the bill does that's going to be helpful is it requires the insurance company to tell the homeowner or the driver why they were non-renewed or canceled. That way you can actually address the issue that caused your non-renewal so that hopefully your risk is a little bit more insurable as you enter the market for a new policy.
The anticipation of lower homeowner insurance rates comes as President Donald Trump seeks to eliminate the Federal Emergency Management Agency, which provides states with disaster aid. The official 2025 Atlantic hurricane season forecast from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration calls for above normal activity, with 13 to 19 named storms, 6 to 10 hurricanes, of which 3 to 5 are expected to be major hurricanes.
We do want to encourage homeowners to be insurance ready this year. And what that means is pretty simple. We want homeowners to understand what their deductible is, what's your named storm deductible specifically, so that if your home receives damage from a hurricane this year, you'll know how much you're going to have to pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. That's number one. And number two is we're urging them to know how to file a claim before you have to file a claim. So the best way to take care of both of those items, the deductible and the how to file a claim, is to go ahead and contact your insurance agent or your insurance company now.
The Louisiana Department of Insurance is encouraging everyone to download the app LDI Connect for direct communication with the department and resources to help citizens stay informed, safe, and resilient during the hurricane season.